Hello, my name is Christopher Ruck. I'm going to be talking about the Alluvial Fans. Right here is a picture I found from one of my sources. So a little information about this river feature. Alluvial fans are formed in narrow valleys. A river will flow through a narrow valley and empty out into a wider valley. For example, if you take the Yakima River Canyon, let's say that there was actually a much larger river and it flowed out straight into a valley, it would just fill it up. So these are more common in the desert. I remember seeing an alluvial fan when I was in Mexico. It was a dried up riverbed that I think a river did used to flow through it, and it emptied out into a much wider area. So you can find alluvial fans out in dry, arid regions like deserts. For example, you could probably find them in the Western United States, Africa, the Middle East, uh, places like that. You can also find them in China. Right here, this is an alluvial fan. Right here, as you can see, if you look at my mouse, that is the river and it's flowing out into a much wider area. This is the Uyghur Autonomous Region in China, and I found this from Botanica. And here's my works cited. Thank you very much.